me asem we answer na ntokwa no the first batch ana me kan ho asem say me de me support to ombe ye free so
okay
aban bia wo hia to de aye adwuma nya se Ghana for no omo mpeto otua o ba de Ghana ni mpene se watua to na de akwakotu amana ye tua to na wo ne wa girls e de chile and the people ofu na me music na de godi meze we godi nzemu no o ti ase na me hu ye waje music ase okoye kwan ama me kwan me nam so ye be bie be tap nsuo ba me ko hospital a best wo school me kwa me ba wo be papa ade me hu se music na ye de ye adwuma enu ne people must get it straight yes e bia Ghana ni no na wan dua to na bele no mana koso because obi enu oya o mabani o sko be dua he man na ya brabo fun tantan a ye di esika ye nti no na Ghana ni mpeso be de obetua to eto no o mabani so ko ye firi so me de me se o monwene ho bio mo munyi esanse once the crime mo de beto so yi ena no Ato Forson so akotua $1.47 billion e de ama IPPs no eboa sa tie kai so almost ya clear kra no almost a share bo se eno bi no beto fan wo dia power thermal plants no e be ya dum so e betwa edie kwa ye firi minya ntim raban e wono se ye yifiri ho a hemfa no mbenye sika no dia kwa koto sa fango no na ye dia kwa power plants no me ye dirimu nya de se say ye yi we afiri on the sense ka na de be bia ye kwa yi sense ka enzo afiri no e de me de be afeti because sika bia no ye ma ye ni sika hojo
sika bia pressure also so ye de ba be hye aha de na akushi a subsidize fuel no e be ma ye ntumi nye kwan bia na e be ma ye ntumi si school dan bia na e be ma ye ntumi si hospital na then we as a country ye nia ya dwene ho but say ye kwa kopre ho say ye kwa koyi de me support aba de MVP be kan MVP no mo ve ta ne say Ghana for sure mammo ni nyina no mo so mo mabon o mo pam mo sa mammo fu tanta never in a history and was a baby na ya na mo Ghana for no so mu dua de obo ano a obeka kire o ma ye lecture from Azerbaijan to India Bawumia wasanso package no Africa ne sisi o se ye bo no kra won kasa me ja mo so o so kasa obo be kasa o ye dia o be kasa ezo so won kasa won kasa se okay won kasa ye be bo o tapes na mo o dia se me la mo was go for because MBB na o to de obo bomba yira se o se fu cost ko do 23.49 and Akufo Addo obo be se at least Ewura 23 ni no gala ye nyina pepe adwe mboni se ye ntire wiase ebinyo ejibe fi se enya de a omampeni mane ngoso esanse ye dumu kania ana ho se ya pa de wa ubu besi wie fu ho no oma ye mfa ngoto ba de me hu ne se santo kwa wo ye ekoso no enche wo ho yeah Andrew anyoma biasia already no a business on munya de akase aban so no won fa da ninko BDCs no okay
omun kanokre omun nyina kanokre eye de ato mo se ne ya one market price of crude $100 na immediately de ye bu no pompo na afete na no mo
no because no nkofa ba
se munu we chese be bi no ho men dia se yo dia na e ko affect no my goodness what adia ba be gu pompa wo de
yeah
most of these BDCs you know almost yes possible say almost almost just afimuni nyina me hwa yam pagi na say $63 and just o ma bi no be a plan for the country say o be tell say
no a kosra na yanzu akoso. How would you plan? They peg it at a certain rate. Na wo mo ebe to ni nyina no ato that rate no na atumi stabilize area market. But ya mo ba be ka kire mo ya ma na say na ya kosra no makoto sa de diwa. Na makola for Ghana ko to nyoma o China ni omo etu nyoma fro omo ni arrangement. E kwa e bia ye mo some levels of discount opportunity ba. Enti sa ho no so se hwe oyi. Enya sa gofo bi ebe yesika bi ga nanka.
Okay.
And about close straight of Owusu no. America for so much. No, the idea the same. Now you run for no and say Ato on side do. And America so Ato ha no. E do Iran so also ships no and get the fan go back to ambo sika no.
Enko. Okay.
And this year wunye sika mfa and what's going to happen is say e come bebe Iran. When ya no man go trust yan kasem the company ba timamufo be satirize up against war by
government.
E war by ni begu. So that's where we are. Ejamika say enya dia ebe because you see mumienu nyina no and you see the disadvantage Iran wo say American rely on sa crude no.
Yeah. Yes, so more reserve more wonya.
Sisi akra no mo ton gofo on the aye no. Ngofo go to afiri omo ho. Tisika be kwa America. Na America answer no obeko Iran no wodi nka koche papa bi friend Maduro so okay Venezuela for about 303 billion barrels of crude and I mean because America for the processes are crude it's omo obi it to not be in the interest of Iran
to continue sa war
exactly and ya mati say o ma sa frɛ Pakistani mediators say on round 2 please.
Was a no.
Said no, that time no.
Transigent position.
That time no, na American to the other side.
Oh, okay.
Was a remember some Matumba media ships that's advantage to them.
Yeah.
But see no to this side now what the Nkobio. I be critical. It's almost after another meeting. They will solve it quickly.
So until you don't agree, say ban be yitas na.
Oman nkaso. Me dey omu tie ma dwena. You see, amemu enye your friend say me please. So okaso wo please a e be ju nsem. Esan say nipa na wo kasa tiso na dey. Ono dey o hwa na say atiso bat. So when nya kania na say nipa na so be bolt utiri so say. Ana edu mekania.
Mate de oka na sepa.
Eye wi asare afata. Omana ye chechire no. Oka article 1 na the sovereignty of this country resides in the people.
Okay.
Eti ye ne man. Ade ye hwe so say obi ehu say aban yi ba yi me try the first auditor general.
There be awoka.
Men kan joda.
There be awoka.
Because all the sikedi we dey public accounts. Ye wi ye sikedi na okwabra ne to be shoot no akotena ho no akire se ni wo wi ye sika no wi no asa fa the bank akotena ne fi no obi danza wom wafa bode
ba fa bode ba nche
on the beach enti ye nyina hu se omampani mahama obaye uta okwadu anu ayi ni brika obi anche de hu se wa ye reckless spending akrada wo nya no ano ana all try so obede obeda no eno nso ntoro ama ye seed na de stabilize it.
Okay.
So enye seed and stabilize ya ba na ge to a later 30 cities o ye go phone
no because now double world market.
That is the point.
From 700 to 1004.
That is it. Other time on here turn on MBB average 23.49 no. Now international market crude price is $80.
Yeah.
And Aropean at 97. If say 100, if more or less divide, if there's more divide, it means like you better almost 30 letters at their rate because after now CD to the dollar, I pay 15 cedis. It sounds like normally 10.9 11 inti, and I'm baby a water no. A person also where they bought a buying a basu say 1 managing ye and say. Short yes here. Now Bank of Ghana na Kwabena Agyarko yes so akoye na Ken Ofori Atta so akoye Bawumia yes so akodie ye no ma ba no ma ko twasika 60 billion no ma ko chedi na mo so aban we mo ba ye ora na mo tete ho ora mo de nam ho en gofoi sika so mo dem mo bi ze rebe fion
da bi da
e dia say na mo ne ye ke ya na mo me sefem eju ya de sa no a o mo twa 60 billion no mo akose $100 ana mo abe mo pay up dollars free system no to bo say that dollar no rise na o mo na sa de no ana wo di o ma ye wu hwe aban yi ba ye Benti so makwa akobọ besia wo international market. Amakwa besia ni.
David.
It means say Akufo Addo ni Bawumia omo di o man abro pa.
Fa Ken Ofori Atta ka ho.
Papa na wadwane no.
Because
say di na mo ba.
Yeah, said na mo ba.
So no be ba na we no.
Say US is yes tradition for Ken
Engo.
Say special prosecutor no the wire say dey no one ye.
Oda me ka che mo agwe mu pam na mo tete wana mo.
Ankwa
Oga ka ro osu. Kakabia Ankwano Mano so go bodyguards so say president. Yeah, you man are bodyguards in Kwado.
Oh, Debbie.
Because a certain time I 90 million no I will fire na man 10 years sir.
Yeah, and SML name.
Oh dear Fabo so na
cathedral name.
Na say the bowa. What you base so.
Yeah.
President did that 10 years. Offer 90 a 10. Ukodi your friend say
1 liter. 20.
Now what calculate it here? No damn say papa na calculate no America wa. O say mano me ma. Obeba. Ago bi da to you say daddy o panko say o say ubetie. Ubetie.
Oh God, yeah.
Omo ye fem from besia buburu boya ye ko boy 13.5 billion international market. Ko fa papa bi company bi template ten ne nkofo e be si ye so ye bomu besia no na omu nyamu fa so. Na ye we nyina e be de no I expect say ye yiri best stabilize. Nti oba penini ne cabinet yes mo adwempa you have shown say mote Ghana for no brass. But you see, Nantikro, ye way as a Nantikro.
Yeah.
Well, Mia and I need Umia so ya. Mumia. Go Mumia, Nayana Yakranwa, a bill. Sikana buy and the air and was say.
Okay.
Master road project be year of roads 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. Ade na house Kabana, yes, and so yes, akwani nyina. Onya asenso as we did do mienu. Na funu say no abetro akanse munu. Yeah, quite way and yeah 10,000 kilometers of road.
10,000.
Every Gyarko Shanghai. Ana asenso be kachre. And so Sakwanya or Kakache said, look, Ministry of Roads and Highways and say, and now no Abuja Casa say, on beto 40 billion. And me say, yeah, Akwanya, a year worth 40 billion. The simple question is an Akwanya way. How many years Kennedy? Now, refisa now no special audit here or Mukoma, acquire Yanya Ekra, yet is a Musika, Akoto Kuchaka. What tier of finance minister? It's Cassie Ora, no more ya, I see. Not more debate where that politicians that most of us start taking a use of justice grand rule. Munya says the Muno political talk. And Jana Fenio come I call 12 o'clock, but at 3 o'clock, and the use of justice. And the other no man can say grind slowly. That I say, me a year. So I can't be here, me a year. But in year, I say, Sikari could go for one. No, Musu to and go for system. Encoder. Anything, our penny, Messa Cabio. A bear yadie, more than one bear, Musu say be a Ghana for me, but let me tell you, so, oh, yeah, dear, if you are coming, Bonibia, Mutimu fire is retreat. Yenina, any Musem, say a straight. And Tokoya Kosu running, and Akofa Sadi Yaba. Diana go for compared to Russia, Ukraine,
and the COVID.
And yet, Oraba Umiana Kofa and Asembayo. Because 2014 lectures are Yaokase, a better day under exogenous factors, Atra Cote d'Ivoire, Atra Burkina, Atra Mali. na abeka Ghana nko no eno na ekoba se Russia Ukraine nsemo so ba no mo sata na mo MPP ni
yeah
wodi ayi ba o say koka se Russia Ukraine no e da me man ka bi da because be
na just said
me ba betua me fees no wan twa gimi anga me kwa kasa me ko ye iti ya be communication de bia be ka chen kofo say that idea of speaking those just to guide you but for papa wo na eyi de
yeah
because also wo trisi wuti so say Russia Ukraine one kasa waka kire say exogenous factors entumi affect here na me masa da me duabo na ma ba be kasa Russia Ukraine titia bra MPP before started so mo kasa no na Ghana for kasa ba Bawumia be ka kire say then this and this focus external factors beyond ma and your map work so jade na mo kan say I don't need one asem and yes we are in a global village so yes here now beyond that no so asem bia ba e say ye solve future problems say you too fan body
yeah you too crude ni be
enti ya ne de ne ye kwakọ ya fa ho so ye be ko so ama to yi awo ho ama de bia nkofo le ba be refine na say ye be pe kwa bia ye crude ye be convert ye crude say ye ba be refine wa ana ye be see additional refinery e be process ye de send ye be ya next e bi na straight of Owusu e kire bia na another Owusu bi o e be affect bibia ano adin na e ma ye ho ye dey enko kire that's number 1 number 2 ya no for a GTP na na see buy any amama be special credit lines and na make sure say how be this is for we no omoni companies in your agreements but I say akosuri omun kwan mu na ye de woni wa akaka se konfo se ko untumi nka so tia se enu ntia o sa ban to start ne amama ye offer ngon bi assign agreement say e bia ene mo no matter the price you better na be $70 so tia se hedge that's it because we be straight to Owusu wa ye de be to e fa no enye ho nefa
okay
ta fa ngo nefa straight to Owusu dodo na ko India ne China ne Japan omo na eto ye de free Europe ne Singapore de ye dey e ba kromo a even with more so no ye wo Africa Dangote Nigeria for ha ade no se ntokosi ansana o man ti se Kenya se afi no mo ne Dangote kwa kwotena se aka enti ntokwanse wo hu se wo ye ko bibini wo nwe ko bibini noa fa ngo akwakọ chese di ejimi ye ne se bi beti ase enye o se eye ni nyina no yeso mu ni nyasa nyansa no eye kro no nti ekọ ho na ekọ Europe na sika no o maka o de Africa na ebeka ebe hu o mu nti no ene to Nigeria ho na o free Nigeria no akoto nchene wo Brazil o man 40 kromo aye pe bia ma mada abra ofa ada ayiwa ya nchire kra ye se decorative bia na wotumi ahwe nyamiem ti Nigeria abo batakari na watam sika e de ko Brazil abra de baha ne to e West Africa so the Africa continental free trade no and no na was ye shemu kena say e bibire mu a o man bia wo bibia that is it it is ye nyina edi emu dwa we don't care what to happen on the Strait of Hormuz. We will not care what to happen between America and Venezuela. We will not care what to happen between China and America. But yet, 1.4 billion people, human beings.
Yeah.
And we are Congo based in Kwabena Agyarko supply the entire Africa electricity. So yeah, Bawumia Campaign, you more than 800 your friends a million workers in Africa. So trade unions so no can come nyina ho abo. Na se bosu me bia obi aso otua $2 as contribution to the trade union. It means every man there $1.6 billion.
Yeah.
Who do we develop Africa? So you see, ya tira wo sikani guanye ye mpeni fo na di animu a o se o mo tira se no mo hese ye nkwa ye ntumi nya because Ghana nkwa kwa negotiation a ye nsemu ha.
Yeah.
But Africa as a block 1.4 billion and ye negotiation you bet me achieve a lot for our continent.
Sure.
That is why I made the Biabekana a foot was a credit position sorry. Abra COVID by so say G7 for no top and no nina ne yebinto. Etina a yaria Bediatuo Bekunipa Kayeni ku yamo Can you we
me kai pa
so ati ase e ba ye no ye agimamanu no ho de
oh so o si be se no obi embo ne kwadu
agimamanu so obi amfra no e ne mbukro mu aso ehu
o ka won ne krom ho o se nkrofo se me my first car so mba obi amfra
agimanya de ka so office ka wa na obeka kire so watua puduo se sika kra yenim sa ba enura okotua ye nyina no ehu sika mba at a point obeka kire se na wo nwini straight wa dwene ne nsisi so wo no a wo hwa apomuden na so wa dwene nsisi so a ne ye kwan wo na wo hwa apomuden so
wa dwene ne nsisi so
a na so wan ka so nya apomuden
okay
so see dey ye clear on free system enti sanete but me feel say engontonkosi next week no bon say crude no aba from na eba from what dey tell some mo ha mo yin say ebe tia ko from more because all your data eponachi o ebe kosa ana countries no so no because to ko ebe anti no ama music asem no e ko from they also produce as one basic production lines timelines to also produce faster to keep up your budget.
Yeah.
And Gyamfi be busua na sa put down further. It is or how ka clear ye win ye hubu. Na a swatity. And Jamani in your boat. They shouldn't be thinking about do what is right. Keep it. I'm telling you.
Okay.
You'll be on the right side of history.
Okay.
And yes, be a chrono no more bunching a year to two. And yes, be a mobile no, or my baby or mine sika, or my bear basa, or Mongo Bishakra outside the year. $13.5 billion a quarter. So she passes came by me, did ma, can't you see the best says? A chrono no boy.
Sometimes I say, me present get 1 minute you, and okay. Near public can assembling free or not for your LGBT.
I never found to us support.
Not divine emblem.
Public can say we the same thing.
Yeah.
I buy free go for a boom. Importers.
Yeah.
Importers so warm. And to Montras Namon can because see AI idea, artificial, parameters are best chama AI.
Yeah.
And a big generative outcome.
Exactly.
These are parameters now. Modiama AI no. Mono woman against our parameters no. Very important. Say I nyasa parameters ni year. One here because me say be me so me cranium ma be kuma.
Yeah.
The first time me hu how or calculate duty no. Me bu free pa.
Okay.
Me bu free pa. Uko room bia young girls here bi sata na public mo the public
AI no.
Then buy. Obekọ titi computer chi. Oh say what you say what you na dey buy ya. Omo na mgogo so ne boy say. Is that the way we do our transactions? Obi they feature the price war. Your friend say internet. That does not mean say that's the price of the item because maybe I'm existing arrangement with your friend say vendor.
Producer no.
What you say? Turn your mouth, turn your mouth be so. Yeah, this amount. And what this amount? That's the value of a year the other day. Amamia based on it no. Baby betria now cover AI. No kasa the method once no mama say 10 cedi. That is where the problem is. You know. I
think there should have been a stakeholder engagement, which I know is almost not my year, but I don't know.
Obviously, but you see a chrome one. Stakeholders engagement. Yeah, you bet me a friend of Koshe baby. Assembly here, Poterian. Yeah, so lunch break. Agyapong, assembly and go. Yeah, mama sunshine. What throw this all by? One engagement. Otchere, but we're creating pressure.
Yeah, okay, I get a point.
Decisions in about us, and we're not making. And I didn't say because so no more tenacity, I'm more capable. Eba is almost more tenacity.
Yeah.
So I say, yeah, I wouldn't double crown your mother.
Sure.
You're not a writer. Ebe boy, most of the parameters in here. And a bit because and a boama portrait, air fast.
A quantum.
I go fast, no so just say, I was here, could you see a boom? Or just here. And then no crab say inflation. Or Montias and Intercepted Bediatuo.
Okay. All right, into divine 1 minute on that. Said so we are not the say LGBT na NPP at here sim then say President Mahamadu Bawumia say your priority. They say what is our priority? Then pan here on my way.
Only about the publican AI. I'm introduce a portal. will be I think it says stakeholders follow, especially voters for ne almost more clear a line a complaining. Let's look at it from this angle. Because AI no need na manti. Na AI no need sa oni any. AI no be take effect be na adwuma amana benefit. Nipa na creative prompts. What kind of prompts na AI no? Because what you should understand is a garbage in, garbage out.
Yeah.
If the mindset of the person or input to prompt to know a corrupter, the AI will produce a corrupt output.
Exactly.
Okay? Me some of these challenges I complaining on. When you fight the AI, you might think that the AI is a problem. No, it's your new software. No, any new software. Nipa.
Yeah, nipa ni di ashem no.
Nipa di ashem nipa na ono aya ade no ti o. Se nipa na dwen yes obebo kro no a AI no bebo kro no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
se nipa no ye na dwen se AI no bema o my Ghana as a country no your revenue na conform a obema revenue na conform. We just have to have individuals omo the clear and conscionable events mindset ne minder. Somu eye bibia magana maya ebeye say omu drink Ghana ho kan because if say ko drink Ghana ho kan first you think of the stakeholders Ghanaians na omu krania manu de ma importers no any omu credit you from say
good for you
you think about the states too revenue na ye generating because it can be one-sided say only one side dey pay. And I would just buy the onion, the sick, or just cascaron everything. Any pound of it's a member for would you feel more Monswa? And at least you're rendering them handicapped. So, person says, Ababonumu, and yet they farm mom. It's young, Chakwa Bepaswa. AI in some because I had an experience with a friend of mine. Now, only one of these government agencies, my friend, no produce softwares or produce for Kenya and Rwanda for you now. And only a contracts with government of Ghana. That was the S4 government. Is a divine representation. That board on presentation. One of the ministries. It's about this salary payment in Aremeyaw. And or yeah, representation. You know, catch on so. You see a plan. Or there's an aspect. There's a feature. A software anymore. A bit dealing with ghost names, duplicates, names are about double. What do you say? The board instantaneously, they decide they say no, that component, no feature, no, they are shame. Oh, you know, manualizing because that part in there. Oh, you say the final software no more approve here. Meanwhile, what does it take? Yes, but now you can't about ghost names. On this report, I say, Obi, near Juma for 3 years.
Tamale teaching hospital. Yes, one day, Papa Kwawu. I'm a management to know I can't tribute.
So,
not 2 years. I can't pay back.
Woman introduce a biometric a year. Oh, clocking in and that one emotion so say, oh man, but you see, you know why? In components and omu didi. And you know, I didn't yes say here Juma so and for frustrated system. Because in comfort benefits, and I say, the only public servants, the civil servants, the Bianca politicians, some of them they are like they are billionaires. Because of Juma, they can't spend their money. And so they live and some modest life. As if say minimobia, plaza, yeah, or yeah, Juma or roads, Minister of Roads there. Our plaza more than 38. Our crap. Because yeah, on the contract, we are no as I say, no, I'll catch a contract and say, our plan. See, man, on Jessica. That's it. Who say they because see common Excel. Ube instructed Excel keke. no catch and say a dimbia repeat the character red flag.
Yes.
I'm a common Microsoft Excel into me. Now software I'm not say plan ya dey check yes the that software dey to be.
Oh why go check for na ga say Akufo.
Teacher, yeah modia be am say go for complaining. See, obeko bro.
Obi dey
frustrated. Baby frustrated system.
There be frustrated system no ma waka say system no.
Enye papa.
Let's reverse the old way.
Yeah.
Mama parameters nobody.
Because at the end Juma, see all the people, the intermediaries, the people in the middle, how would they chop?
Yeah.
Because I don't see why AI, the introduction of the AI itself should be
a problem.
Yeah. Because AI, whether you like it or not, I hear people on say, oh, AI not there. See, the AI is the future. Yeah. See, that's where we are heading. Whether you like it or not. As I say, oh, me papa, I always use my father as an example. I made it to you to Kwadi. My father was one of the renowned painters and artists of his time. Around time, nobody still did that. And my papa now look at a brush no draw. Then art. Hello, baby. My father, me go school. And that time introduction of computer said me buy. Who can me father computer said was you? Forget. Banner, yeah, banner. Me papa yeah banner nese mo. Baby wa banner no. Banner baako, it take 3 days. Yes. Baby wa 4 days near the year.
Na mo de banner.
Yeah, the year banner baako.
Me wa AI betimi aya ma instant.
Me papa for na dwe enkoso. One day, or that's already ya. Okay, just add the wine. I went to Marco for me. You be a man. Because you banana, who the 3 days say Obi the 5 minutes. I get 10. And you want to on the 5 minutes, you get 10. And it is even nicer than yours. And it is cheaper. And you acquire a graphic design course who are whether you like it or not.
Yeah, the different you cry.
This because last week because photo studio had to take a picture. I'm called to Madam for. They say AI. I'm getting so funny.
Yes.
Because baby who say because the point is that you see a studio, you don't need a studio.
Yeah.
You just see let me take pictures here. I can extract the pictures there. Add Solomon Owusu to studio. We met me no better. The market says solo. Add Solomon Owusu. I never call you. So say okay. Obama.
Our list of
There's a nipa for no. Besides, say would you when Solomon Owusu now?
Oh, pedal.
No, choose Robert says the undressed the same. Because the executive.
But the background,
and you will get it. And you know AI did the but you know AI me. I'm a student of AI, so I understand what it does. Check otchere now they come keke. AI understand any different.
Yeah.
Who apostrophe AI understanding.
Different.
No, flexible.
Straight.
Oh.
The other catch
I input garbage out.
It is sometimes I mean say the same grammar we better dress. We see dress you in bikini at the beach. That grammar na okase dress me and address and one sa you hold on adjective we said there on qualify here. Oh,
Obama be foforo.
It will shock you. I'm saying say you engage.
Yeah. Very important.
Yeah.
It's up for say you don't there. Say person there be they say you moving on reaction for them. Hey, na man ya my easy. These are my.
Yeah.
But as you see making sure say nipa so etire. I dream ben no mo dey etire. Omo dey solve problem and omo dey hear dem. Ni ehun si e koye ni because sale Emre do say you can't eat your cake and have it. And ultimately cause some person want arrest corruption. Wabra still like you want to fight the same corruption that you are trying to fight. Because people have the mindset to say they hold the bar e be ma ye juma as e watch there. Back in the registry. I didn't even know say San recently omo director registered by Obekasai. Now say who apply now be 30 cities.
Aye. And for 500, 300.
Me 5 million. 4 years ago.
Birth certificate.
4 years ago. Yeah, Jesus, he carry me class. I say, I don't flex your flex. Me friend crow fat.
Bagana, your problem. Yeah.
You see, it's I did yeah. Now me we need to ask one.
Me patron kabum. In me say nya 3 minutes yenche. Ka LGBT ne arrest now ma making na. Yes, culture silence and kabum mame.
There's arrest we put in SMS madam.
Nti we dey kabum ne yanko.
Because see, my nigga say me LGBT in common. Honestly. E komo a ye resia I get angry. Me nim the entire is a topic in the
plan. In the first place.
You get discussing because you see what you are even trying to do because see uko what you enray sabi ubu atopandra and you be asem.
Yeah.
Kokwam na wo ye no no nya de a even po wo yire awati sika e de aware no po no enye ba bia na mra no ma wo ho kwan se
woni ne nkoda
na koda se me yire oh ti se police ni be chew se no yire se be da okay mu no be ka che ne so wo ya me yire. The Lord does not allow that. So I don't understand why obi be mani be ma muslimu pesa mo na mo ko che kokwam na mo nya me nya masem wa na wo tata la be yo ya
ubutu agum
wa kasa but to say we poster ebe billboard ebe mount stage say a mouth platform to broadcast how who explore sexual fantasies there. That one is a no. I won't agree. I won't agree. Says I'm communion family. You know what they are trying to do? They are foisting it on us, and the devil is trying to use this approach that to commonize sex.
Yeah.
You know the intention. They say at the end of the day, what will happen? And they say, so we will back Akolano or 10 years, or 12 years. Now who kotono say or your baba na be mabutuno so a na wada nyamiase say ubada nyamiase say wo koye no
be ma mabutu oba no so
baba ne so. Meanwhile you might not even look at the fact say akwani e underage because you are scared. That's what they are trying to do because the point is that oya oba no so your ba no ne me mankwa nante a why do baby cry am hihyew because who need to buy or no akoshe mu. And I want to be can't say because of Usro this side didn't know. Also call this side. Oh, every don't we any nine? Yes, say court and
yeah.
It means I come away. Me pesi ebedi again. Te pasi en passe bela. Yen ko pasi, pasi en pasi ya. My en pasi. But our discussion now every time we be a gay LGBT.
And I achi I bronya ho na na bi ko ka LGBT ho asem. Say you need to no match no.
LGBT conversation, let me tell you. One say people for Nakas, I don't know who me say. So me say me a consultant, I'll tell them say topics be all never to the forward. They should stay like away from it because a mom should almost themselves in their foot say they mistakes on by okay. What is LGBT conversation? Almost just say Sam George money we a year you see. Another time when all of a sudden LGBT conversation. I mean, yeah, to say, and now to say, only or UK no. Now, dear, now, gay, some LGBT so crown, yes, so, but no, the experience in the TV, do know, it is bound to happen. I'm not signing on the clause to us, say, it is bound to happen. I know that this pressure, no sound so. And if you look at the posture of the presidency at the time, say, they see a possible. Do you know that what they forget to say at Parliament, the way they are even pushing it at Parliament, you know, it was unanimous. There was not a single person who hands up now, a single person now,
voting against
and answer Kasapo edit the bill. It means that we agree. But when they implement it, now who are buying it? Mrs. Ekep, before demonstration, Nima. No one go down on one picket because the person we yet because at the unanimously we have all agreed and voted we know before I do presidency no now Asante Bediatuo betrayed it no Asante Bediatuo actual event is a letter your letter no or no say home from out say my pass it. Now, some more than I'm your parliament or the Tio, more than I'm your parliament. Mamma mamu fa abobwa no na mamu dan dwen won say mobile be transmitted or say you should cease
and desist.
Look, I know yeah honey bowl desist to the bowl.
And the man saying come on.
You should cease and desist. I know the shots here. I know the shots ah here we on pass.
Oh from Makra.
Say the clerk of parliament so draw you to remind anything. Bediatuo say okay. The see dia pass you da bed here because here my number 1. The see dia pass here my brother me. Aso una no po.
Divide to assume you where
Obi make it come with the all of a sudden they turn around to make it look like at least the mama then you build your method it's yet them bonus will be yeah told and you know your musu and you madam for no papa momento no other than Majano Mobabeta Tagana.
Thank you. Solo.
When they say Divine Academy, a debut out of the Baby. Oh, that's somebody no credit.
Yeah.
All can a flows. And on the MPP power no Abamo. Akufo Addo, and the Bawumia, and the Omokaban, a power no Abamo. Dear Bio Power now because Akufo Addo sign Bill ya, Kidi Onko. Minim dia de hu na nkofo ba no abeka na LGBT ade tutu o ya mo say ya LGBT o ka bo da no me ka ma me say ei ade amoka o to we say nyame achiwade am say mo start da mo ko Pentecost ni na mo ka tumutu wa am o be start ya chisi kofo ba we ya LGBT ko no ma fa no no
ma polish
we ya de edi unko Senegal pass mo nya na mo fa nya yi
Asante Bediatuo say benya financial implication. Omulombi and omo shisho mani da so ne grant.
Omo serious. You know omo to the kokojilo na radie.
No, it's to tell you said they were not thinking about them.
I was about now so I'm go for in ya run omo apokrum. You see omo ye man bofo number 1. Edie pa na sika be na mbenye America no kwa no opushi mu se munye sa de. Trump by organ job sa when he say they didn't hear from he or she.
Yeah.
It's one house slow review.
Yeah.
Now so yeah sika be kwa no de ba krom an mo ababe boy. Ye we sika wa hawo. Sika ta krom an no se ehwesu ye a obie no obetumi de ababe hunhuna. The professor idea also here. Idea the coalition 2024 year young campaign be a priority.
Yeah.
I disagree with anybody who says
it's not a priority.
No. A priority. Okasara na oya mana o timefo na nya tim ka bi say the most no mobile no wane nya ho ana. Abi wrong. Na mo mampedi speak parliament. Sisi ano o mampedi say go down the table so. Me blame mo mampedi no. The Speaker of Parliament and the parliamentarians, and also we are me. As a man, year, MPB are 1 year side, election 2024. You're the best for them, say, Munyam for LGBTQ now.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.